Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on a Honor X8c. Okay, so let's begin. So once you have downloaded your WhatsApp on your phone and enter your number and verified, you should have something like this. As you can see, looking for backup, and now we have restore your chats. As you can see, my backup was made 8 minutes ago. Also, if you don't have backup and don't know how to do it, we have a video on our channel how to make a one, so you can search for it. And also we have the Google account on which the backup was made, and now simply click on restore. It's gonna take a few seconds. Okay, and the process is finished. As you can see, 7 messages restored. Click on next. Here type your profile name. Click on next again. And as you can see, my messages and the photos have been successfully restored. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.